Alright, Champ Barbecuers, today we're doing a chuck roast burn ends in the Pit Boss. Oh hell yeah, and we're gonna have some redneck beans and some corn on the cob. Yeah, you betcha, and a little bit of beer. For a lot. It's the end times, you didn't know? Get your gloves on and your mask on, and let's get cooking. So this chuck roast, we seasoned up with some kosher salt, cracked black pepper, and some Cosmo Q. Oh hell yeah, the cow cover, yup. And then we got that in 275 on the Pit Boss Vertical 7. Let's check her out. Now we open the door because it's a little smoky, and I turned off the fan just to do this. Kicking the fan back on right now. So we're gonna do some beans, redneck beans that is, and what that is just a can of your favorite beans. Boom. In some cast iron. We're gonna throw that in the Pit Boss as well. Dump in some, I got diced tomatoes with green chilies. It's mild. Add some hot sauce if you want. Hot chilies, whatever you want. Some corn in there. But we're doing corn on the cob. I found some today in upstate New York, the end of March. Damn, that's awesome. So I chucked that. That's getting ready to go in the Pit Boss as well. Gonna oil them up with some canola oil. Sprinkle some kosher salt on them. Let them cook slow. And yeah, I think that's good enough, right? The old lady's going to be doing some kielbasa and some pierogies. Gonna have a feast tonight. Man, how are you guys doing? Cheers. So this chuck roast is coming up on the stall. I'm going to wrap it for a little while. We're going to get it up there, about 195 degrees. We're going to pull it, cut it, slice it in cubes. Throw that in a pan. Sprinkle some brown sugar on it, pats of butter, and we're using Blues Hog, baby. Oh hell yeah. My last jar, it was delicious stuff. This one, Smoky Mountain. My last jar, rest in peace. There'll be a video one day. Anyway, going to stores and buying stuff has been a little, crazy this time, Protect yourself, wash your hands. Sanitizer is good. Gloves, masks if you want. Goggles as well. Some people are going to the extreme and having the full. Hey, protect yourself. It's worth it. One life, man. You only have one. So protect it the best you can. So we're going to get cooking. I'm isolated as hell in here. Nobody around. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. How about you guys? Some people, they just need to be around others. Me, I could live in a cave for 5 years as long as I got the internet, big batch of beer, and some good grub and a smoker. Just give me a Weber, endless charcoal. We're ready to roll. Now's the time for that shucked corn. We are going to oil them up with whatever oil you like. I'm using canola oil. Sprinkle that with some kosher salt. Put them into the Pit Boss for about 45 minutes until they're golden yellow. Oh hell yeah, golden gold. Whatever you want to do. It's going to be awesome. Drizzle it with honey. Sprinkle it with whatever seasoning you want. Do whatever you want. Get creative. Corn on the cob in the Pit Boss. Oh, hell yeah. Alright. The chuck roast just nailed. 195. What we're going to do is pull it out. Slice it up into cubes. Put it into a pan. Put whatever you want on it. And then we're going to put it back in. We're making burn ends. Oh, hell yeah. Check this out. And the juice, we're using it. Oh. Cheers, folks. No, I would. This smells amazing. Oh, damn. Blues Hogs, Smoky Mountain. Let's do it. Chuck roast burn ends, ready to go. Back in the pit boss. Oh, hell yeah. Well, alright, folks. Chuck roast, burn ends. Ooh. Ooh. Juicy as all hell. Let's try it out. That's damn good. Chewier than I expected. With the temperature that we hit. But freaking delicious. That is rocking. Damn. 275. When I wrapped it, I bumped it up to 350 to speed up the cook. I mean, really, it was about 5 hours. Oh, hell yeah. Let's check out these beans. Check those out. Don't eat with a knife unless you need to. Man, Redneck beans. Every time they rock, and you can change it up so many different ways. I always do something different. They had that green chilies in it. Oh, man. So damn good. And then, oh, it's that time of year. Oh, we're dripping. Oh, we're dripping. Stay away from most people and have a damn good time like this. Oh. So subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell because that's what time it is.